In this video, I'm going to show you how you can stop or disable Google AI overviews on your Firefox browser. So each and every time you browse for anything, you're likely to see that the first response is an AI overview that shows you the result of what you are searching for. However, if you no longer need to see this, there are two ways you can achieve this. First, you can either come to this option and choose more option here, and under more, go to web. Now this will only give you the web results and not the AI overview results. However, this is a temporary option because you'll have to switch to this most frequently whenever you search. However, if you want a permanent solution for Chrome, the best way to go about this, go ahead and click on extension here, and then manage extensions, and then go ahead and search for an extension here, and that is hide Google AI overviews. So let's go ahead and search, and you should see this option here, hide Google AI overviews. It has currently over 41,000 users. Go ahead and click on it and then add to Firefox. So I'll go ahead and add, and now if I go ahead and search for anything like this, you can see now under all, we do not have AI overview results. They've all been blocked from the search result, and the only search results I have are the web results. So that's how you can hide AI overviews or disable AI overviews on your Firefox browser. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.